Tech Toys introduces the Colossus, the world's largest 3.5 channel control helicopter with a length of 4 feet. It has a full metal frame and detachable plastic body. The 3.5 channel control lets you move in any direction. And the coaxial rotor and gyroscopic technology makes flying easy for any skill level. And the remote control has 2 different trim controls and a speed mode selector. It's so powerful, you can even attach a small camera and film from the skies. It features blinking LED lights for low light situations and comes with a wall charger and extra blades. The Colossus is ready to fly out of the box, no assembly required. The Colossus from World Tech Toys.